Hi, I'm Ryan Martin, physical therapist and MSK ultrasonographer. The Beginner's Guide to MSK Ultrasound is geared for all allied healthcare professionals. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn how to look at the screen correctly, hold the probe correctly, and understand the basic physics, all the way to advanced practitioners who want a reference guide by their side in the clinic. The guide itself is going to include everything from optimization, which is how to utilize your machine correctly, all the way to physics and the understanding of all the artifacts that may impede a proper scan. We'll also include a reference guide and scanning techniques for all the locations of 6 extremity sites, such as the shoulder, elbow, hand and wrist, and the hip, knee, and foot and ankle complex. Within all of these, we'll include how to set up the probe, how to place your patient, and practitioner positioning. We'll also include pearls and techniques and even pitfalls for each of these locations to help you guide your ultrasound for the most improved patient care.